Are you tired of heavy, boring luggage that ruins your travel vibe? Meet the HanTrip Rolling Suitcase, your ultimate travel partner designed to make every journey effortless and stylish. Whether you are planning a quick weekend getaway or a long international trip, this suitcase has got you covered. It features an ultra-durable, scratch-resistant shell that protects your essentials from rough airport handling. Inside, you will find incredibly smart organization pockets that maximize space, making packing a breeze. Plus, the smooth, 360-degree spinner wheels glide effortlessly across any surface, so you can breeze through crowded terminals without any stress. It is sleek, lightweight, and built to last. Ready to upgrade your travel game? Check out the official Amazon link in the video description below to grab yours today and travel in style. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome travel gear recommendations. Happy traveling!